Hi everyone, today we are going to be making a delicious apple salad. Okay guys, for this recipe you will be using 10 apples. I'm going to be using the red kind, but you can use any kind you like. But I do recommend you use red or yellow because they are sweeter. For this recipe we will also be using 1 cup of sour cream and 1 cup of condensed milk. We will also be using 1 cup of walnuts and 1 cup of raisins. We will also be using 2 cups of pineapple chunks, and we will also be using 2 cups of peach chunks. Now we're going to start peeling the apples. Here we have our apples ready and peeled. Here I have a bowl filled with water. When I dice the apples, I'm going to put them in here so that they don't get dark. Now we are going to core the apples. Doing this can take a little time, but it's completely worth it for a perfect salad. Here we have our apples ready, and we're going to dice the apples. Now we're going to start dicing our apples. Feel free to dice them into any size you like. Here we have our diced apples, and now we're going to go drain the water out. Now that they're drained, we're going to start mixing in the other ingredients. Now that our diced apples are in a bowl, let's add our other ingredients. First, we'll add 1 cup of condensed milk. We'll also be adding 1 cup of sour cream. Let's give it a good mix. Next, we'll add 2 cups of peach chunks and mix it in. Then add 2 cups of pineapple chunks and mix it in again. Now let's toss in 1 cup of walnuts and give it a good mix. Now we add 1 cup of raisins, mix it all together, and we're finished. Okay guys, here's a tip. Put it in the fridge when you're finished. It tastes much better when it's cold. Thank you guys for joining me to prepare this recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.